The Zildjian Vault is the coolest thing in the world. I've always dreamed of being able to come here and see it.
The Zildjian Vault is Disneyland for musicians. I feel joy when I'm in here.
Not just anyone can come in here, you know, it's literally every cymbal you could ever imagine, and there's like anything you could think of.
There's a lot of history in here. It's a legacy that can just keep going and going.
Zildjian has always been on the forefront of where music is going, and music is going in a lot of different places these days, including electronics.
Now every drummer with an Alesis drum set gets to play these incredible cymbals.
I am Dee Simone. I am here in the famous Zildjian Vault with Alesis.
Hey, I'm Tosh Peterson. I play drums for Alkaline Trio and Lady Gaga, and I'm here in the Zildjian Vault playing Alesis drums. I love hearing the difference in, you know, two 18-inch A custom.
This sounds dirtier and
way
more
lower.
evil.
Yeah, that
was really cool. The Artist Vault is a space we have here at the Zildjian Factory where all of our artists can come to have as many options as possible to find their musical voice.
Every Zildjian is a one-of-one, so it's such a treat to be able to come here and check out cymbals that are hand-selected.
Coming here and learning how we make cymbals and how much craftsmanship and how much care we put into our cymbals really allows them to explore all that Zildjian has to offer. Let's go check out some Ks then. It's a little darker.
Cool.
This is really great, and they feel so good too. They're so thin.
That's the one. I like that. Let's roll with that.
All right. I'm handpicking these cymbals for all the customers and artists that play Alesis drums.
Every cymbal in here is hand-selected, so to get to play it on an Alesis drum set, it really means something amazing to me.
From the Zildjian Vault to the Alesis kit, for it to just sound like a natural cymbal, I think it's a game changer, and I think it's probably gonna open a lot of eyes for a lot of drummers.
When I'm picking cymbals for the Alesis sound library, these are the best of the best compared to our gold standard samples, and now they're available for everyone.
You can really tell when you play it that there was that much attention to detail put into it. The actual process of recording it is just mind-blowing. That cymbal was hit 300 or 400 times. I was just told it's 12 hours for one pair of hi-hats, which is insane. I can hit 1.5 inches away from the bell. You can bash it, you can hit light, and you notice the difference and how it sounds. I have so much respect to everyone who went into making this happen, because I just get to do the fun stuff and show up and play, so.
We have different options now, all because of the details that were put in to record the cymbals, which makes it easier for us drummers. You can practice the same way on the Alesis kit. If I want to play jazz, and if I just want to get a soft tone, it still has that type of sensitivity to it. It feels real, and it sounds real.
To me, the sound of the Alesis cymbal is crazy because it's the Zildjian cymbals. it translates. And so I think that was the most surprising thing to me, is the reaction of the kit. To be able to choke a rubber pad and it sounds like you choked a cymbal, it's crazy. It's so much fun. The brain on the kit is super easy to use, and it's a real drum set. It's just electric instead of acoustic, and I think that's really cool.
The world is changing. The older generation of drummers, they need to see something like this. What you play naturally is also something you can play digitally. I would say just try it.
I really would love to go back in time, and when Zildjian was created, be like, look what we got now, dude. It's crazy. It's really a cool thing that's carrying on the torch of Zildjian cymbals, and Zildjian's not going anywhere, but now you can have all the Zildjian cymbals come to you. Hard to keep this one in, guys, so let's get this rolling so I can start telling people, okay?